Cladding restoration to faded, chalky, plastisol type cladding using the purple Rhino clean, restore and protection method. Our method will not only clean but will enhance and restore the cladding to its original color, and it will also protect it from further UV damage for many years to come. No other company can restore cladding the way we do. If you would like your building's cladding to be completely restored, please call us on 0800 157 7484 or visit our cladding restoration website at www.purple-rhino.co.uk.